Join us on a New York City photo shoot. Let's go. All right, Brandon, lean back, booty back, left leg up. Yep, Amber, I want you facing me, but you're going in like this. Amber, chin out and down just a little bit. What's that? Yeah, it feels awkward, but it looks good. Chin this way just a little bit, Amber. Gorgeous. Yep, Brandon, I like the way you look too. Oh, I like this. All right, looking right at me. Looking at each other. Love that. Soft kiss. Yep. Yeah, I like you looking at each other, just smiling. Love that, guys. Hang tight. Amber, that right hand, can you just put it gently on his like chin? Yes, love that right there. Yep, looking at him. Aw, you love him again, Amber. Love that, good. Both of you looking at me. Amber, put that hand on his lapel. I like that. Roll that shoulder back for me. Yep, beautiful. Here we go, looking at me right here. Yeah, serious look, I like this. Come out here. You're gonna be holding hands here, okay? Your left hand is gonna be in your pocket. Amber, you're gonna hold his hand like this, and then your right hand, I want you, so leg-wise, Amber, let me get you set up. I like that, good. And then leg-wise, Amber, I want this. Yep, love that if I can even get that dress blowing like that. And this elbow is gonna be here, and this is gonna go back just a little bit. Ah, this is so cool. Love this, hang tight, guys. Love this, stay there for me. Can you run over there and fix her dress? Show off them legs, Amber. Yeah, right there. Love that. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love this. Love that. That left toe's in me. Yep, I love that. Good. Chin out, push, turtle hard. Chin this way. Right there is where I want you, Brandon. Shot, don't worry about it yet. Ooh, this looks good, Brandon. Here we go, chin out and down. Awesome, Brandon. Love that. What about if you pretend like you're buttoning your jacket, top button? Yep, so you can do that, but looking at me, chin this way. Right there, hang tight, I got a bogey. There we go. Yep, looking away. Awesome, dude. Stay there, button that button. Go both hands, yeah, button it, and then go both hands in the pockets. Good. Looking right at me. Hey, what happened? Oh, I like that, Brandon. Towards me, like me, feet and everything, just maybe like 2 inches. Yeah, I love that. And that leg, when I start shooting, that leg, I want you to feel like you're extending it out, not just going up with it. So it should be out here somewhere, yes. But your weight's still on that back leg, does that make sense? So we want to see that, yes, love that. Love the pose, love everything, Amber. Chin out, turtle, and down. Right there, Amber. Perfect. Amber looking away. I'm just saying my camera work is really creative. One more time. Beautiful. Now I want you looking away, up higher with the eyes, chin down though, down, right there, Amber. Amber, a little bit more smirky. Yep, there we go. Hold that for me. Gorgeous, Amber. Amber, this looks awesome of you. This color is just phenomenal. I love that. Can you give me motion with this? I don't know, like I just know the dress is flowy. What if you were, you think you can walk? Like with pace. So what I'm thinking is, we start here, and we just walk up together, and I'm filming you the whole time, but here's the rub, like, people go stupid when I ask them to walk. I know it sounds crazy, but they do. So when I say walk, I want you to walk like a normal human, which is usually opposite, right? So your right foot, left hand, right? What ends up happening when I ask people to walk, they start doing this. I don't know why it happens, but it does. All right, here we go. Chin out and down at that lens. There we go, Amber. That's what I want. Here we go. 1. Hold on, hold on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, Amber. Amber, here's what I want with you out of your lower body, because it'll change all your lines. So when you're holding on to his arm like this, right, I want you to give me this. You know what, Amber? Is this got pockets?
Yes.
Ooh, let me see that. Ooh, I like that too, Amber. Give me this hand, grab the dress, and then I just want you pulling this dress. Yes, Amber. Yeah, yeah. Good, right about there. Let that elbow collapse a little, like into you. Grab it from here. I want a little bit of slack. Let go. Let go. That, right there. Yeah. I like that, Amber. Ooh, I love this, guys. Here we go, here we go. Hang tight, I got bogeys. So face each other. Yep, holding all 4. Come into each other. So you're gonna be touching belly button to belly button, this. But Amber, for you, I don't want you standing here. I want this, expanding this leg. Yes, as far as you can. Yep, and then just let that, yeah, there, that's perfect. Love that, Amber, beautiful, beautiful. Let me see you looking at each other. Yeah, oh, there we go. Reach down to her, Brandon. Yeah, right there, right there. Soft kissing, and then hold that for me, and I'm gonna shoot through it. I'm just looking for one shot here. But Amber, this time, I'm gonna have you camera right, because I wanna see your full profile. So we're gonna put you right there, face each other. Right hand around his neck, Amber. Hang tight. Looking away for me one more time. Hang tight, hang tight. Hang tight, hang tight. Hang tight. Yep, sorry, Brandon was into it that time, sorry. Love that, guys. Both you and me one more time. Love that. I want you both forearms out, looking out that way.
Both forearms?
Yeah, yeah, lean in though. Go another 1 foot to your right. Yep, and I want you looking this way. Yeah, a little bit more left. Yep, right there. I want to see your legs on this. And then here, I want this a little, yeah, softer. Yep, I want to see your legs though. Can we go right leg, cross over? Yep, yep, I love that, Amber. Chin out, lean to me just a little bit. You're gonna be having nightmares about this, Amber. Chin this way just a little bit, right there. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Looking down towards the ground. Let your face go more left. Yep, right there. Just smiling at the ground. You love the ground, Amber. It's your favorite. Like, God, the streets here are so beautiful. Yes, Amber, beautiful. Stay there. Chin more left, a little bit more, and chin down. This hand looks to maybe break, yeah, right there. That looks much better, Amber. Good job. Here we go. At each other one more time. Smiling. Amber, drop that right hand, take this around his chin. Love that. Brandon, take this hand, put it right on her forearm. Good. Lift this just a little, yeah. Beautiful, guys. Stay there. That. Ooh, I like that, Brandon. Chin down. Yep, and looking right at her right hand. Awesome, looking right at me. Chin down right there. Yep, looking away. He's looking dapper, Amber. Would you marry him again? Good, looking at each other. Perfect.